In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact us form to Canva website. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, head over to Canva's website. If you're not logged in already, take a moment to log into your account. Once you're logged in and on the main Canva homepage, you're in the right place to begin. Your Canva homepage is the gateway for managing all of your projects and designs, making it easy to access everything you need in one convenient location. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Projects tab. Click on Projects and you'll see a list of all your existing designs. Remember, it's always a good idea to have a specific project in mind where you want to add the contact form. For today's purpose, select the project you've been working on or where you plan to embed the form. This helps in keeping everything organized and allows you to visualize the integration of your new contact form within your existing work. Now, to access additional functionalities, click on the Apps section within Canva. Here lies the key to extending the capabilities of your design projects. Once you're in Apps, use the search feature to look for the option titled Embed. This will let you explore various tools and services you can integrate directly into your Canva designs. Upon finding the Embed option, click on it to proceed. This action opens up a whole new world of possibilities for your project by allowing you to insert external tools right into your Canva design. Among these tools is JotForm, a popular service known for its customizable and user-friendly forms. To integrate JotForm, simply select it from the list. This option enables you to create a form that suits your specific needs, whether it's a simple contact sheet or a more complex data collection form. Choose the settings that best fit your requirements so it not only functions well, but also seamlessly aligns with the look and feel of your website. Incorporating a contact form not only enhances your website's usability, but also enriches the experience for your visitors. It's a straightforward yet powerful addition that allows for better interaction and communication with your audience. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to add a personalized contact us form to your Canva website using JotForm. With these steps, you'll ensure that your audience has direct access to reaching out, making your website not just visually appealing, but also a hub for engagement. Thank you for watching and happy designing with Canva.